we have learned about the process of development. When science was not developed at that time, many couples they wanted a child, but they did not get the child. They died childless. After that, sometimes they adopt the other child. Adopt दत्तक घेणे मला माहिती. Yes. But due to advanced technology, that is IVF, nowadays the childless couples they can have their own child. What is that IVF? Why is 25th July is celebrated as a World IVF Day? That we have seen in 1978, 25th July 1978, first rescue baby named Louis Joy Brown. He took the birth by IVF. After that, different technologies are used in IVF. And now, though the parents are having some problems, they can have their own child. That technique is called as IVF, in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization, that is, fertilization is carried out into a test tube, not in the body of the mother. The fertilization, that is, fusion of male and female gametes, ova and sperm, it is carried out into the test tube. Zygote is formed in the test tube, and then that zygote is implanted into the uterus of the mother for further development. What is the reason for that? It may happen fallopian tube is blocked. It may happen that uterus is weak. It may happen that in the male the sperms are not sufficient in number. It may happen that the sperms they are weak, they cannot reach at the place of fertilization soon. Because of this, the parents they are unable to have their own child. But by this method, they can have their own child. What is done for them? A test tube is taken. In this test tube, ova from female or oocyte from female and sperm from male. From male, sperm is collected with the help of a syringe. From female, oocyte or ova is collected from the mother's body, and both are placed in this tissue. So, fertilization occurs in the tissue outside the body of the female. Here, zygote is formed. Yesterday, we were that zygote divides and redivides to form a mass of cells. That is the classroom. Once it is formed, then this is transferred in the uterus of the female. Means now she can have her own child. The couple can have her own child. This is possible only because of IVF method. First time the test tube baby developed on 25th July 1978 Therefore, this name is celebrated as IVF Day. The second technology in this is surrogacy. In this case, making a concern is that mother's uterus is unable to carry the weight of the developing child. Yesterday, we have seen that the child is grows in the size. Uterus is weak. Mother cannot bear the weight of the child, and the child will be aborted. Abortion of for that again oocyte is taken from mother to lady pregnancy. Sperm from her husband. I have written your husband will understand afterwards why I have written your husband. Now again in the same method, the zygote will be formed. Now this zygote is kept in the uterus of a healthy lady, not the same lady, because her uterus is weak. Therefore, the embryo or the developing embryo, it is implanted into the uterus of other lady.